see how to put seal with these. You can see I'm just filling out the entire track with silicone lubricant. That's going to make the sliding a bit easier. We need to watch out for this part. There you go. We put back without that small bump in the middle. Now the lady is selling the house, so she didn't want to go with replacing it. She just wanted right back where it's supposed to be. Now let's replace the two hinges. Number one hinges. Should be this one and this one. One and one. Beautiful. This we could get rid of. Let's grab this one.